Now that California has officially reopened, we at the Pillar to Post Schroeder team couldn't be more excited about losing those masks we've been wearing for over a year. Ugh. But not so fast. There are still some exceptions to that guidance, and one of them is in real estate. Although distancing, sanitizing, and other precautions are no longer necessary, the California Association of Realtors, aka CAR, still legally requires all parties to wear a face covering at open houses, regardless of vaccination status. And even though all our inspectors are fully vaccinated, this pandemic is not over yet. And we at Pillar to Post are still committed to protecting ourselves, our families, and more importantly, you and your clients from COVID-19. So we're in the home stretch, but let's move into this reopening with caution so we can all get back to normal life safely. We can't wait to take off our masks for good, but until further notice, we'll be following those CAR guidelines for open houses while we're at work. And we ask that you respect that policy as well by wearing a face covering at your inspection. We'll keep you updated as soon as any changes are made. Thanks for understanding and cooperating.